In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a page, an image fill the whole page, how to make an image fill the whole page. So make sure you watch this video till the very end, subscribe for more tutorials. And now without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So what we have to do first, let's actually insert the image. I'm going to go here to pictures and I'm going to use the image from stock images, and now here I'm just gonna look for a very simple image. So I'm gonna grab this one, insert. Now as you can see, this is actually different, has a different resolution, but I'm gonna go here into crop, right over here to crop, and now I can crop this image like so. You can also click on here and crop to a shape, so it's pretty convenient. Now we have this this image here, and we'll like to change it to fill the entire page. So we're gonna have to go to layout here, and here we have size, and here we can see the size of our image, of our page. This is the size of our page, 8 by 11. You can also click on more paper sizes. You can choose here. We can also change this width and height. But this is our height and we prefer this height, and this is what you need for your document. So therefore, just remember this size, 8 by 11 for me. Maybe for you is this one. Usually for Americans is this one for USA. But for me, I will just remember 8 by 11. Now let's click on picture format, and here we have height and width. So let's click on this button here, advanced layout size, and here we have to unlock this lock aspect ratio. Here we can enter 8, and here I'm gonna enter 11. Now I'm gonna click on OK, and the resolution changed. Well, it kind of like squished, it crashed these photos because I'm pretty sure I didn't put the right resolution, 8.25 by, but to be for me more easy, I don't like to remember all of this. I'm gonna change it to a resolution I want. Must be between 1 point. Okay, no worries there. Okay, by 8. Now this is the resolution. We can see here I changed this to 8, the 810. Now go to picture, and now I click on this and unlock 8 by 9, and I think it's other way around, or it's 8 width is 8. So let's go back here. Width is 8, so here's 8 and here 11. And now we're gonna go to wrap text, so we can decide here the way how we choose the text to wraps around the selected object. For me, I want the text to be not behind the text, but in front of the text. In front of the text, actually behind the text, the image is going to be. Now we're gonna have to use this align options here, which will align this image without having us to drag the image. And now this image is positioned here. As I said here, I didn't make any mistake, but it's like you just have to remember the exact resolution in layout here, and in size here you have to remember the exact resolution. Now another method here is you are going to click on here at the top. Now you enter the header. Now what you're going to do here, once you enter the header, is to click on picture, and here add your image. I'm gonna add this image. Now we don't want this image here, we want kind of like behind the text. So let's go to header, footer, and here we should find something related to this problem that we have right now. All right, so let's click on here, and here we have behind text. Okay, move behind text, move with text, fix position on page. You have here other options. but we want behind text. I think there's a problem with this text, so probably has some background, because if I remove this text and I type, as you can see, is behind the text. So make sure you don't have any background added, any fill added to that text, because now, as you can see, it works. But the problem here, we like to actually increase text, this photo, sorry. So what you can do is just grab this photo like this and increase, and it's for its entire page. You can also go to picture format and here add some corrections to your photo. You can add some artistic effects. So now you can also, if you want to, just click on there to exit. And now we have the picture behind. And what I like this technique, because in this method you have more options. So you can go to transparency, increase the transparency, decrease the transparency, as you can see, add some artistic effects to your document. So, and also this will actually repeat for your entire document. So more documents, this will actually repeat the same photo, as you can see. And make sure you watch this video more till the very end, because I'm going to show you more methods. Now you might say, you will not want to see the same image on every single page. So to fix this, here in header, we have to actually change this. So we can actually add a different image first. Let's add a different image. I'm going to add this image. And now I'm going to select here behind text. I'm going to change its resolution. And also here, when you add your image, here, make sure in the header you enable different first page. So now you're gonna have a different image for the first page. So here I'm gonna add this image. I'm gonna change the resolution, something like this, and that's only now for the first page. For the other one, it's not going to repeat it. Okay, so blank page, as you can see, now is only for the first page. For the other, is not repeating the same photo, which I think it's helpful if your intention is to add this picture only for the first page. Add the picture only for the first page, sorry. So if your intention is to add a picture only for the first page, that's how you do it. Now I'm going to show you how to add a section. So if you right click here you should see section. So make sure you enable this, because now when you change, we have only section 1. This is not changing, it's still section 1. So we add another one. Here I'm going to click on the second page, and I'm going to go to this to layout, and here we have breaks and next page. And now we added another section, because we can see here section 2. Can move to the next one here, select this one here, and we add another section. We have section number 3 now. So now even when we click now, we can see same as previous. Maybe I don't want the section 1 to be the same as section 2. So I'll click here to link to previous, and now it's not linked to previous, only if I want to. And it removes it from here because I don't want the same section, and it remove it. If you click here, then it will actually add it and will link it to the next section, but that's not something we want. And now we have independent headers, so each section is unlinked, as you can see. And of course here you can add your text, but now we are focusing on the on our image. Now what we can do, we can click on the header here, we can insert a picture, whatever picture you want, doesn't really matter. Now here behind the text, now we can resize it. Of course, we can add some. I can add some text here, but you know, you can add the text here. Just go to close here, and now you can add the text. But here, I would like to continue adding a different. Now actually insert here a different image. Let's say I want this one. Click on here. Now resize it. For this one, again the same. Add a picture, because the section, this will not follow the same one. This picture won't have the same. This section won't have the same image because we unlinked it, and now we can add another image here, and so on. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.